Hey everybody, my name is Jeff Dowd. I've been playing since the age of 10, and I play with two bands here in the States. I play with a band called Time Machine, which does the classic rock hits of the 60s to 80s, and I play with my original act called Barely Breathing, Jeff Dowd and Barely Breathing. I'm playing the Reach 5Bs right now. That little added bit of length for me is just great. It adds a different fulcrum when I'm playing mostly high tempo songs, and they're sturdy. That's the thing that I don't know if you can see this, but I will tell you that's been through not only gigs but also rehearsals down here. I don't have wood chips all over the floor like you might expect. I'm going to play a little tune called My Turn from Everything Yes. I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.